This short is on Studebaker truck's mailer. I believe this is from 1950. They have the 2-ton shown with a van body, the 3/4 ton pickup, which is just awesome. 1.5 ton, 12-foot stake. And here's your clue to a more profitable truck operation. This mailer was sent out by Stephan Motor Sales of Bluffton, Indiana. And the telephone number was only 3 digits. There's the beautiful dealership itself with the Studebaker 3/4 ton out front for comfort, for economy, and of course for power. You always need more power. And there's the two beauties vibe